Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that I'm filming a video because I have not filmed one in so freaking long. So I'm pretty excited to finally do one. Today I am going to be decorating my house for fall. It is September 13th? No, 14th. Today is September 14th. I was going to do this like back in August, but school started and I'm homeschooling Evan and Ellie and I'm taking online classes this semester. So my day is literally like school from the time I wake up until like the time I go to bed. But today we're taking like a much needed like mental health day from school. Last week it was just super overwhelming for everybody. So today we're kind of just taking it slow, taking a little break. Yeah, so we are going to start decorating for fall. Also, I've seen this as like a trend and I was like, maybe I should start doing this. People are like, hey, my name is so-and-so, like welcome to my channel. So, hi, my name is Ash. I'm a mom to 3 kids. I live in Utah and no, I am not Mormon. All right, let's start decorating. All right, this is my super giant mess of stuff. We got a little pumpkin chilling on top of Jude's shoes. I need to put that back with all my other stuff. But I have all of this cute stuff, my cleaning stuff. Those are Halloween, they need to go. A couple other things over here to get put up. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Ellie's here to help me. Jude's here in the background, if you can hear him, slurping on a smoothie. He's gotta have a smoothie every day or he gets cranky, so. Just like now, he's cranky. So this is like the area where I'm gonna like decorate the most. I usually put a lot of stuff on my coffee table, but I have a toddler now, so it's kind of not doable. He'll just take everything off and like throw it everywhere or break it, so we're gonna do this. I already have these 2 little birds up here. I got those at Target. Eric wanted to put them up already, so they're up right here with Calvin. So I have all my other decorations in front of me and we're gonna decorate this with all of my plants and my lovely little aloe vera plant who I still have yet to put in a pot. Put her on a sunflower plate though, so it's like fall. I need to get her a pot. And then I'll put some stuff over here too. All my succulents. And then Dwight. He's Christmas, so I might have to go put him somewhere else because it's not Christmas yet. Dwight. If you watch The Office, then you know who Dwight is. This is our little Christmas Dwight Funko Pop. But he's Christmas, this is Halloween. We gotta find him a new home. So Ellie's gonna help me. She's gonna hand me stuff that I need. And I'll show her where she can put a couple of things too. I'm having a hard time deciding which sign I should put above my couch. I usually have this one and only thing on this entire wall. But usually during like the holidays and stuff, I take it down and I'll put up like something seasonal. And I can't decide if I want to do my pumpkin or like my autumn one. I can't decide if I want to do this pumpkin or like this autumn one. I don't know. I think I will do like the autumn one for now and I'll put my pumpkin in like the other place that I put like a seasonal sign. And then just switch them next month for Halloween. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I put my signs up. We put the pumpkin right here. This is where I usually put like some other kind of like seasonal sign, just like in this weird little like corner thing. This is where I put this other sign. I'm gonna figure out something else I can do to fill up the space of this wall because she's real empty. I have to take a break on decorating to show you guys the cute little like Rice Krispie treats, that's what they're called. I'll show you guys the Rice Krispie treats I made yesterday. Well, that me and Ellie made. Here's our little Frankensteins. They definitely could look better. I followed a recipe out of my cookbook, Baking All Year Round with Rosanna Pansino, and she uses royal icing. I didn't have time to make it, so I just did it with like chocolate. So they don't look the greatest, but they taste amazing, and I think they're cute still. So I'm gonna show you guys those really quick. I feel like I usually have some sort of baked good going on in one of my videos. So today's is cute little Frankenstein Rice Krispie treats. All right, so I'm done decorating, and I'm not gonna lie, I pretty much hate it. But like I said, I have a toddler, so I can't use my coffee table for a lot of the stuff that I want to use it for. So yeah, it's okay, I guess. It's just not something that I would have done last year, but I'm working with what I got. So also, I live in an apartment and everything is like just so tiny, you know? So I will give you guys the grand reveal of my decorating skills, and I'm gonna tell you again, they're not great. Got our pumpkin sign up here. And you come over to this countertop. I got a little pumpkin patch over here. And then I got another little pumpkin patch over here. I got an Ellie taking a break, drinking a Capri Sun. What flavor you got?
I think I will have this one.
The strawberry kiwi. All right. And then I got my lonely sign on this big empty wall. I will make my kids do a craft and we'll put something up there.
Yeah.
My very sad attempt at doing something cute on my coffee table. It's all right. It's not gonna last, I can tell you that. Right now, Jude's going to destroy that. We got our candy jar, which is already full of delicious Halloween candy. I know this is technically Halloween, but it stays up because it's full of candy.
Yeah, and we got some Reese's yesterday that have green on the bottom. They're Frankenstein.
Yeah. Here's Carl, just because. All right. I wanted to put something here, but everything I put here just looked horrible. So we left her blank. We just have my succulents there and our switch. All right, we got our two little fall birds that were here before, and our dog Calvin. And then this is my little fall thing, and I just changed the date. Put a little couple pumpkins there, my plants behind it. Gave Meredith some friends. Just a couple little pumpkins. This is like my favorite like decoration that I have, my fall candles above all my other candles. And this cute little sign. The only thing getting lit this weekend are my fall scented candles, accurate. Also, for anybody who's concerned, I do not light these right here. I put them on my countertop so Jude can't get them. Also, this little guy back here, this pumpkin snickerdoodle. The best smelling like fall candle you will ever find. And also good luck finding it because that one was almost sold out at the Bath & Body Works by my house. And so was this other one that I got that's like white pumpkin. It's more of a spiced scent, so that's mine for November, like maybe December. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. Sorry it's not more exciting. I was like hoping it would have been, but I just couldn't think of where to put my decorations. So like Halloween and Christmas are gonna be tricky, but I'll figure it out. Anyways, if you guys did like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, tell me what your favorite thing about fall is, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.